Dear student, today topic is characteristics of hydrogen. As you know, hydrogen is the lightest element in the universe. Yes. So, what is the symbol of hydrogen? How many types of hydrogens are there? Okay, let's see all the discussion now. Today topic is characteristics of hydrogen. So, there are mainly three types of hydrogen. One is H11. It means that this hydrogen has atomic number 1 and mass number is also 1. Second type of hydrogen, that is known as deuterium. It has atomic number 1 and mass number 2. Third type of hydrogen is tritium. It has atomic number 1 and mass number 3. This tritium is radioactive in nature. We have to simply get the knowledge about the hydrogen, some kind of, we can say some kind of properties. Okay. Now, so three types of hydrogen you have now. Okay. If you know water formula, that is H2O, this is water, and one more is there, one more kind of water, that is heavy water, and that is known as D2O. Why D2O is heavy water? Because the reason is this is 2 and this is 1. Of course, 2 is greater than 1 and this 2 or this 1 is nothing but mass number, or we can say atomic weight, because this deuterium has more atomic weight than this protium. That is why water made from the deuterium is heavier than the water and we call it heavy water. Okay. This is protium, this is deuterium, this is tritium. Tritium is radioactive in the nature. Okay. If we talk about the abundance, I mean the percentage of existence in the nature about hydrogen, deuterium, tritium, then hydrogen exists in more amount, approximately 99%. Okay. In remaining 1% they both exist. Okay. Let us talk about the number of electrons, protons and neutrons in the protium, tritium and protium, deuterium and tritium. So, hydrogen has 1 electron, deuterium has 1 electron and tritium has 1 electron. In same way, hydrogen has 1 proton deuterium, 1 proton tritium. But number of neutrons will change. Dear student, the interesting fact is hydrogen is only one element in overall periodic table where the number of neutron is 0. See, how to find the number of neutron? Up minus down. I mean atomic weight minus atomic number, and that is 1 minus 1 0. So, number of neutron in hydrogen, I mean protium, is 0. But in deuterium you can find number of neutron, that is 1. In tritium that is 2. So, this is how we calculate the number of neutrons. Okay. Now, let us talk about some other factors of the hydrogen. So, what happens actually? This hydrogen gas is used in the rocket fuel, and let me show you very interesting fact about the characteristics of hydrogen. See, hydrogen is the most abundant chemical substance in the universe. Be careful. The word I used here, hydrogen is the most abundant chemical substance in universe, not on earth. I am not using the word earth. Okay. Hydrogen is the most abundant substance in the universe, especially in stars and gas giant planets. I hope you understood about the characteristics of hydrogen. Thank you.